Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first ever DuxLIVE broadcast inside a ring!
Yeah! We got a ring!
Without further ado, we'll keep this short. I've got an extra, very special guest today.
Now what? You offered me to come on here. What do you got to ask me? Make it relevant.
Relevant? You want something 110% relevant? Got 2 eyes, got 2 feet, got a waist. Ooh, it's got a waist, but there's something seems to be missing there. Hey champ, where's your belt?
Listen here. Alright. I've been demanding it for 4 months now, and I still haven't received it. You know why? Because it's pathetic losers like you that are stopping the new generation from coming through and being the best they can be. Just like the trash of fans all around this ring.
You're the trash!
Shut up, idiot.
See,
idiots like them, just like pathetic losers.
you
like
don't have a belt.
You're an idiot! Don't touch me. You're an idiot!
T-shirts don't count as championships.
Once upon a time, ladies and gentlemen, once upon a time,
I like stories.
I respected this man. I thought, next big thing, future ahead of him. But then he did the one thing that you don't do here in XTW, and that's spit in the fan's face. Eternal chase, big no-no. I should know, I've been there.
Yeah, if we were.
You need to learn a little bit. If you want people to respect you, you need to earn it, for starters.
I have already earned it. How dare people below me, like you and like Devon Cash and like everyone else in the XCW roster, especially these fans.
Boo!
You frickin' shut up!
What?
Breathe. Breathe.
What?
Do your breathing exercises. Ready?
What? Don't.
One,
What?
2.
Speak up.
In through the nose,
What?
and out through the mouth. In through the nose, and out through the mouth.
Listen here.
What?
Into you.
What?
People garbage like you.
What?
I demand respect
What?
from people like you.
What?
You are nothing
What?
but a little cow.
What?
Dukes.
What?
Daddy.
What?
Damn it!
What?
Oh.
I'm a bit hard of hearing. Oh, look out. Ring the bell. I thought. Apparently this is. I'm confused.
I'll teach you respect!
I think the ref should break this up because I don't think this is supposed to be a match. And then we got CJ Clip coming out. What this? Don't do that. Think of the children.
Now we're gonna. So I'm not sure if this is expected or am I just confused? I think both.
I don't know what to do.
Neither do I. Does it match? I think we're actually getting there and take some control out of it.
Right! You and you are versing Dux and Chase in the first tag match here for 2020.
What? No! You can't do that to us!
He just did.
We're the best thing going!
He just did.
No!
Alright, we got a tag match. We got a ref. Let's get it over and done with. Hashtag he did it.
Alright, let's get it going. Ding, ding, ding!
You went first? Really? I'm not liking this no connection.
There's already been a tension between.
CJ Click!
Boom!
CJ Click!
Boom!
CJ Click! Shut up. Don't worry about these.
Ding, ding, ding!
Hold on. Just a bit nervous, you know? Champ.
How's the champ going to adapt to a ring?
Beating down.
He's too used to mattresses. Hint, hint.
Hey, Chan.
He wants
The
to.
other hand, mate.
Hey, Chan. Just like the taste out of his mouth.
Oh. Respect, mate.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Oi! And click. Right on the face.
Take it out of the corner. Come on.
Hey, keep him back.
Is that a low blow? I think the ref should get in there and ref. That's my chase. The ring hasn't got as much give as the other setup we had.
Tag me! Tag me! Pathetic. You're pathetic.
Oh, look at this.
Ref,
Ref's bit.
Hey, Chase!
A lax ref that should get in there and
Chase!
almost disqualify Dux for doing that.
What? Ref, look, what? Hey.
The ref did see it but did nothing. Right then.
Oh!
Big boot by Click.
Oh!
Face first. Into the turnbuckle padding. He does a smart thing by rolling out of the ring.
Ah!
Hey, ref.
I'm good.
He's distracted the ref. He's confused.
Favourite.
Come on, come.
1, 2,
Oh, look.
3.
Come on, mate.
You're not the legal man.
Who's there?
You think? I don't think there was a. Was there a legal tag there, or is the ref thing?
Get out!
Come on, Click.
Or is there
1.
this ref part of the union? And now there's a tag. Finally, Chase is obeying the rules.
I'm out!
Clothesline by Dux. Come on, Rick, get in there.
1, 2.
Come on, do it! Really
Big
quick.
elbow drop to the back of the head. Great way to get a concussion.
Ooh! Ooh!
Oh, look.
Switchblade!
It's,
Where's the title?
Aye.
nah.
No fancy moves here, pal. Come on. Come on, Dux, you got nothing.
Come on!
You got nothing.
Come on, Switchblade! Let's go!
Get off there! Come on, off. Switchblade. What are you doing, huh? Dux.
Snap his head, Switchblade! Don't you touch!
Give him a leg bar. Out of nowhere. Get him there, ref, and disqualify him.
Job! Tell him, he's not even in the ring! Where are you? Did you go to kids' school?
Dux, please.
Come on. Ref, look at CJ. Look at CJ.
What are you doing?
Come on, Switchblade!
Get him into figure four. He's got him into figure four. He's on the ropes. He's got to let go. Yes, we do have ropes now. Can he beat him up with his shoe? Who is he? Pete Dunne?
Come on, Switchblade! Tag!
I didn't know Dux had Jim Pokemon on his foot.
Let's go, Chase, let's go. 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 There's nothing wrong. What?
The ref has lost control of this match as soon as it began.
What was that?
Stop.
Knee to the face of Chase. And click in the ring with a blind tag. Super kick.
Come on, switch out of the ring.
He could pin the champ right here. He's got to win with that pin. I don't know what he was doing.
He had his hand on the ref.
His ref has lost control. Regain order. Regain order, ref.
Kick someone out.
I don't even know who's legal anymore. I don't even know what's legal. I don't even know what's real anymore. Click taking control of everybody. That wasn't until Dux got involved.
Me? I'm legal. Tag.
And now he's legal. Oh, a DDT. Or an armbar. Takedown.
Come on, click.
Great way to fuck up a man's shoulder.
But you just tagged me.
Oh, I tagged myself in.
I think Chase doesn't even know what he's doing.
Three. Come on, Dux out.
Not going for a pin. He wants to work on that injured shoulder of CJ Click.
Click.
I'm over your shit!
Hey, stay back. Come on. Stand back, ref.
And Switchblade is down.
Hold it.
My shit.
Drop my shoe.
Dodged the kick. Got him with the cutter. And Click's now out of the ring. You can't pin a man out of the ring.
Chase. 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 Chase.
Shut up, idiots!
Got a DDT off the rope. And he spiked him.
Brilliant move, click.
He can win it right here. He can win it. He got a roll up.
1, 2,
Will you get in the ring?
One.
Give me a minute! Yeah, how much I hurt? Brilliant!
Going from a wrestling match where a fight's broken out. Chase is still outside the ring, and the ref has stopped counting.
Come on, Cleek.
1, 2.
Watch his feet, ref. Is he serious?
I'm going on the ropes.
It's been utterly hectic so far. We've had very little in the way of control.
Tomorrow!
1, 2.
What? It's supposed to be 3, you bloody idiot!
Dux keeping the pressure on the champ, Switchblade. The champ without a belt. Pin him.
What are you doing?
Attack! Come on, Switchblade. You got this.
Pretty sure Chase is legal. Is Switchblade legal? No.
Oh, my balls.
A dead ET. He spiked him again. He's gonna knock. Shoulders are down. Now the shoulders are down. Nah, he rolled out of it. And now he's on a cross arm breaker.
No.
Switchblade has a history of shoulder problems. This isn't going to work for him.
He's got the rope. 1, 2.
Good ring smarts right there, most professional.
The ref should disqualify him. He's breaking the rules. He just low blowed him. It's a low blow. This is not a no DQ match. At least I don't think it is. Now Click and Dux in the ring. Drop kick into the corner, right in the face.
Click!
Now he's going to be in an STF. He's going to be in an STF.
Out of the ring. Come on.
Chase breaking it up. Now he's going up the Chase.
4.
Oh, we got him with the cutter. His legs over the rope. Sorry.
No, it's not.
This could be a finish. Dux could pin Click.
Finish.
Hey, ref.
No.
Going for a submission.
Yeah, come on.
What's this? Is that the rings of Saturn? That's the rings of Saturn.
Don't touch me.
I haven't seen that move in years.
Come on, do it!
Gonna tap. Is he gonna tap?
He's on the right. Look up to me. Get in. Oh, no.
Is he gonna? Holy! Great way to break a finger. Or two.
Hey, you wanted some of this.
Talk to me.
One.
Click you too. That's something worth clapping for, you idiots.
Yeah, I'm like your title reign.
I'm like yours.
I've had it for nearly a year.
Ah!
Ref, you really need to deal with the trash.
You just out of the way of the cameraman too.
Trash for your garbage.
That's the same thing. Same thing. Oh, what are you doing, Doc?
Click's been in that corner for a long time. Not a good situation to be in.
Chances like a man.
Hold it.
One.
Didn't they reckon also accommodate?
Two.
Kicking right in the back of the knee.
Took you 5 minutes to set that up.
And that Switchblade's legal, Matt. Instantly gets kicked by the champ. The champ with a belt. Unlike Switchblade.
Shirts don't count.
Oh!
One. Two. Three.
And that's it. Chase has pinned the state champ.
Just like old times, eh, Chasey baby?
Dux, despite their differences, has managed to pull out the first win of 2020.
Where's my
How's
title?
your ears?
Get my title.
Oh, mate, how's your face? You got nothing. And this sorry sack ain't got nothing. I am laser focused.
He did it.
Instead of doing bad things to whoever the hell I wanted, I'm gonna do bad things to bad people.
He's become a ReduX the vigilante.
This is the example.
Holy! What did he just do? Did he snap his? We need a medical team. Can we just let the poor guy relish in his defeat? He's already had his neck snapped.